To activate your Capital One credit card app in 2025, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have downloaded and installed the Capital One mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you have not done so, search for Capital One in the store. Select the app and click Install. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Sign In button. If you already have a Capital One online account, enter your username and password to sign in. If not, click on the Create Account option and provide the required information such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. After signing in, navigate to the Account Overview section where you will see a list of your linked accounts, including your new credit card. Click on the credit card account you want to activate. Look for the Activate Card option and select it. You will be prompted to enter the 3-digit security code found on the back of your credit card. Enter the code and click Continue. You may also be asked to provide additional verification information, such as your address or phone number, to complete the activation process. Once you have completed the activation steps, your credit card will be activated and ready for use. You can verify this by checking your account status in the app, which should now show that your card is active. You can also test the card by making a small purchase or checking your account balance. As a best practice, make sure to review your account settings and notification preferences to stay on top of your credit card activity. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity or large purchases. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Capital One credit card app and start managing your account on the go. Remember to always keep your account information and login credentials secure to protect your identity and prevent unauthorized access to your account.